Are you trying to sell high-ticket affiliate programs or thinking about it and not sure what you should be looking for in a program to be successful? Well, I've put together my thoughts on what I think you should look for and how having these things will lead to more success. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. And in this video, I'm going to explain the criteria that I look for when selecting the high-ticket program that I promote and why I think each of these criteria are important to your success in converting leads to sales. The thing with high-ticket affiliate marketing is that almost everyone will tell you that it's what you should be doing as an affiliate marketer. Heck, even I've done that in a video which you can check out by clicking the link up there. But what is not as common, especially here on YouTube, is what you should look for when choosing which high-ticket program to promote. Now, for those who are not sure what I'm talking about when I say high-ticket, let's do a quick definition. Simply put, high-ticket generally relates to a program where your commission for the sales you make on behalf of the product owner exceed $1,000. So that means the program you're selling is going to be at least $2,000 based on a 50% affiliate commission rate, which is normal. Now, there are places where high ticket can be defined as exceeding $500, but the consensus seems to be $1,000. So we'll go with that for the purposes of this training. And if you've been in the affiliate game for any length of time, you can appreciate the advantages of making one sale for $1,000 to that of many sales of something that might make you $3.50 per sale. The maths is pretty simple and the effort almost the same to achieve the sales. Now, not entirely the same, like some would have you believe, but a sale is a sale and there is work required no matter the price. So there's some validity in the theory that making a $1,000 commission is almost the same as making a $3.50 commission. So let's dive into the criteria that I believe you need to be seeking in that high ticket program that you choose to promote. The first thing that you want in your high ticket program almost goes without saying, but it needs to include excellent training. When you're investing your time to promote something with a high ticket price, you want to be sure that the training it contains is also of a high value. When you put your name to something, when you promote a training, there's an element of your own credibility attached to the product. So you want to be sure that the training is of high value. There are a few ways you can determine the value of the training. And first, and the most simple, is to do some research and look for reviews. The good thing about these programs is in that most cases, the course owner actually asks their students to do reviews and post them on YouTube. So it's not hard to find reviews of high ticket programs. Another way to determine the quality of the program is to do it yourself. It's my belief that if you're going to promote the program, then you must have done it yourself. So what better way to learn about it and decide the quality than to actually do it yourself? Obviously, with these being high ticket programs, you aren't going to want to buy them all to assess them. So my recommendation is that you do the search for reviews first, narrow your focus to 2 or 3, and then invest in a couple to decide which you'll promote in your business. I'll share with you at the end the one I promote after I've gone through all the criteria. So let's dive into number 2. The second criteria to look for is a little harder and a little less common, but it's a big winner in my opinion, and that is you want a high ticket program that provides additional business opportunities. So let me explain what I mean by additional business opportunities. Now, as you'll know, affiliate marketing works best when you're using funnels. And if you aren't sure about the concept of funnels, check out the video by clicking the link up there and make sure you come back to this one if you click away to that. Affiliate marketing funnels are all about emails and sales. That is, you want to collect an email address in return for some freebie and then lead the prospect on a process to make a sale. There are lots of variation of this concept, but the gist is the same: make sales. Now, these funnels are effectively a business or a business unit if you like. So what I mean about having additional business opportunities is that you want your high ticket program to offer additional funnels to make sales from other sources. Now, I'll be honest here, This is one criteria that is not as easy to discover, and it is also not as common among high-ticket programs. So you'll need to do some digging to find out whether the one you're looking at has additional funnels or businesses for you to make money from. The one that I'm going to suggest you take has 12 of these additional businesses. The third criteria that I recommend you ensure your high-ticket program has is assets to support your businesses. Now, I mentioned in criteria 2 that you want access to additional business to support your high-ticket business. Well, these are not as helpful if they don't come with the assets to support them, right? So what I've seen a lot of recently are people offering all these done-for-you funnels, which are great, but they don't come with any assets. Effectively, you have to create the assets yourself. Now, if you aren't experienced in creating these assets, it can be quite overwhelming and deflating when you discover that the done-for-you funnel is limited to just the funnel. While the funnel's valuable, it's great to have the pages that are proven to convert and work well, but without the assets to support them, they're useless when you're just starting out. So you want to be sure that these additional businesses come with the assets to support them, which will include things like ebooks, video lessons, and even some design images to use in your promotions. And one further point before I move on from this criteria is that I would also like to see the high-ticket program provide detail on the type of additional assets that you might need for your business, or resources such as software or tools that make your business easier and better. These are simple extra tips that make your business more efficient, so you want to know about them so you can avoid the discovery phase that the course owner will inevitably already have completed. So take advantage of that research and use the tools they recommend, at least until you're experienced enough to make these decisions yourself. The final criteria that you should be looking for in the high-ticket program is a supportive community, which these days are normally in the form of a Facebook group. While you may not see the value of this criteria at first, let me tell you from someone who historically didn't use these groups, a supportive community means a lot. When you run into issues, problems or doubt, a supportive community can help you quickly and effectively. There are always people in these communities who are willing to share their experience, which is a great support to you as you learn the ins and outs of your high-ticket program and your business. And the simple reality is that these groups can get you an answer quicker than the course owner support team, normally because of how busy they are with everything they're supporting. No matter your level of experience with high-ticket affiliate marketing, there's going to be a time when you run into a tech issue or even a confidence issue. Having people who are doing what you're doing and willing to help you is an extra asset that too many people underestimate. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and helped you understand the criteria that I use to select a high-ticket affiliate program to promote. The benefits of choosing a program using these criteria is really important to your success, and you'll be glad you spent the time applying these filters before selecting the program that you're going to promote. So let's do a quick recap of the 4 criteria you should use to select a high-ticket program to promote. First is it should have awesome training. It should have additional businesses that you can promote to make more commissions. It should have the assets to support the additional business and provide resources for your business. And finally, it should have a supportive community to help you when you need it. Now, I mentioned I'd let you know the program that I use, which contains all 4 of these criteria. It's the Ambassador Program by Anthony Morrison. Like I mentioned, it has 12 additional businesses that you can set up and promote to make additional sales and money direct to you. It comes with the assets to support them and how-to videos on how to set them up. So if you want to get started with the Ambassador Program, click the link in the description down there and you can be up and running straight away, and you'll get some extra bonuses from me just for using my link. So thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to get access to the Ambassador Program. Click the link in the description and let's build your business in the next 30 days. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget, to get started with a high-ticket affiliate marketing and building your online business, click the link in the description and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days.